Today, we're taking a nostalgic journey into the past to rediscover 20 old-fashioned, yet timeless ways to save and still thoroughly enjoy the holidays. These frugal living tips are not only about saving money, they're about embracing the warmth and simplicity of yesteryear's holiday celebrations. Handcrafted holiday greetings. Begin your holiday preparations by crafting handmade holiday cards. Use recycled paper, add a personal touch with drawings or pressed flowers, and write heartfelt messages. This personal approach far outweighs the convenience of store-bought cards or digital greetings. Baking from the heart. Bake with love. Homemade cookies, bread, or fruitcakes make thoughtful and delicious gifts. Involve family members in the baking process for a fun holiday activity and share these treats with friends, neighbors, and colleagues. Nature-inspired decor. Decorate your home with nature's offerings. Collect pine cones, branches, and berries to make garlands, wreaths, and centerpieces. It's a sustainable and refreshing way to bring the beauty of nature indoors. Cherishing heirloom ornaments. Bring out the family heirloom ornaments. Each one often has a story, and using them year after year adds continuity and depth to your holiday decor while saving money. Reviving the joy of caroling. Rekindle the joy of caroling. Gather friends and family or join a local group and spread cheer in your neighborhood with traditional holiday songs. It's a wonderful way to connect with your community and enjoy the season's music. And tips. The gift of handmade crafts. Create handmade gifts like knitted scarves, hand-painted mugs, or homemade candles. The time and effort you put into these gifts make them special and often more appreciated than something store-bought. Potluck-style celebrations. Organize potluck holiday dinners. It eases the financial and work burden on the host and allows guests to showcase their favorite holiday dishes. It also adds variety and surprise to the meal. Smart post-holiday shopping. Plan for the future by shopping in post-holiday sales. Buy decorations, wrapping paper, and even gifts for next year. This time-tested strategy ensures great savings. Bringing back family game nights. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Turn off the TV and enjoy family game nights. Dust off those board games, deal a deck of cards, or engage in charades. These activities offer hours of laughter and bonding without costing a dime. Preserving and sharing family recipes. Cook traditional family recipes. These recipes, passed down through generations, are not only budget-friendly but also add a sense of heritage to your holiday meals. Embrace vintage fashion. Dress in vintage or second-hand holiday attire. Thrift stores and vintage shops often have unique pieces that can add flair to your holiday wardrobe at a fraction of the cost. Crafting personalized advent calendars. Make your own advent calendars. Use small pouches or envelopes filled with treats, notes, or activity ideas. This DIY project is a delightful way to build up to Christmas Day. Candlelit ambience. Spend your evenings basked in the soft glow of candlelight. It not only saves electricity, but also creates a serene and traditional holiday ambience. Holiday stories and music from the library. Borrow holiday-themed books and music from your local library. This is a wonderful way to enjoy seasonal stories and songs without spending money on new books or albums. You're simplifying gift giving. Simplify your gift giving. Focus on meaningful, practical gifts rather than expensive ones. A well-chosen book, a homemade food item, or a thoughtful letter can be much more meaningful. Community event participation. Take part in free or low-cost community holiday events. Attend local Christmas tree lightings, parades, and markets. These events offer festive fun and a sense of community without the expense. Holiday crafting with kids. Get creative with your children. Make simple decorations like paper snowflakes, popcorn garlands, or homemade ornaments. It's a fantastic way to bond and encourages creativity in kids. Hand-making Christmas stockings. Create your own Christmas stockings, sew or knit them yourself, and personalize each one. These handmade stockings can become treasured keepsakes passed down through generations. Embracing the great outdoors, go for nature walks to appreciate the winter scenery. It's a revitalizing activity and provides a chance to collect natural decor items. In term for reflection and gratitude. Set aside time for reflection and gratitude. Share stories of past holidays read aloud from classic holiday books, or simply gather around the fireplace to talk about the things you're thankful for. This fosters a deep sense of connection and appreciation for life's simple joys. By embracing these old-fashioned tips, you're not just saving money. You're creating a holiday experience filled with authenticity, warmth, and nostalgia. Stay with us for more frugal living tips and tricks to enrich your life. Wishing you all a magical, meaningful, and economical holiday season.